Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hyundai Super Sudoku puzzle on November 20, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. First grade, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 4. 7th row, 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. Column F also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, the 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 1. 9th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, the 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade and 4th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, the 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 5. Column J, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in on the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 7. There also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third row, 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have 3. Column I, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. Column I, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another two cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then second grid, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Sixth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.